These AI object-destroying videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And take a look at this Instagram account. It has just started and gained more than 13,000 followers by posting this exact style of content. And he is pulling an insane number of views. Now watch what I had created with AI in just 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now come to designated object section in the prompt. Here you can type any object which you want to be destroyed. For example, I am going with school bus. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your destroying video. And here it is. Your video is ready. You can create endless variations using this with any object you like. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.